This will address some key points regarding the coupon and 1099-A processes, both of which may offer individuals lawful methods to engage in debt resolution. I'll outline how these methods work within the legal framework of contract and trust law. Detailed examination of the coupon process. Let's proceed to the main topic, the legal interpretation and use of coupons as they appear on monthly statements, and specifically how they can be applied in a debt settlement context. Typically, most individuals receive a statement each month, often accompanied by a detachable coupon labeled with specific instructions for remittance and retention. In examining the terminology associated with these documents, it is essential to refer to both Webster's Collegiate Dictionary and Black's Law Dictionary for authoritative definitions. For instance, Webster's Collegiate Dictionary lists several definitions for statement, including a summary of a financial account showing the balance due. Additionally, Black's Law Dictionary defines an instrument as a written document, e.g., contract, deed, bond, serving as formal evidence of a legal act or agreement, while bond is described as a contractual obligation reflecting a debt, often with interest. These definitions establish that such financial statements and coupons can qualify as instruments or bonds, as they record obligations and terms of payment. Black's Law Dictionary further defines coupon as a detachable portion of a financial instrument, generally providing proof of a monetary obligation or dividend. Coupons are typically associated with loan certificates, representing interest payable at specified intervals. Once redeemed, they are detached and returned to the issuer, indicating payment or compliance with the terms of the underlying agreement. Thus, a coupon could be considered a negotiable instrument or evidence of a right to payment under certain circumstances. Application of coupons as payment instruments. A key point to understand is the potential for these coupons to serve as payment instruments. For example, a credit card statement with a detachable coupon at the bottom could, in theory, be used similarly to a coupon for a retail product discount. In the retail context, a consumer submits a coupon at checkout, which is then redeemed by the retailer through reimbursement from the manufacturer. Analogously, a credit card coupon could potentially serve as a negotiable instrument, provided it is endorsed and submitted in accordance with contractual norms. Execution and submission of the coupon as payment. The coupon from a credit card statement often includes fields such as minimum payment due, amount enclosed, and a to and from section, similar to fields on a standard check. To utilize the coupon as a payment instrument, the individual may endorse the reverse side with a beneficiary's signature, thereby treating it as a check or promissory note, redeemable against a trust fund or other applicable financial source. For example, an individual may fill out the payment amount, endorse the back, and send the coupon as payment. Notably, this method could also apply to other types of statements, including IRS notices containing detachable payment coupons. Legal considerations and the role of conditional acceptance. If an organization, such as a credit card issuer, declines to accept a properly endorsed coupon as payment without returning it, they effectively acknowledge receipt and acceptance of the instrument. In such cases, a conditional acceptance response may be appropriate. The individual could state that, having made a good faith effort to settle the debt, they consider the obligation fulfilled in the absence of a valid rejection. To enhance the legal standing of this process, individuals may wish to include the postal rule in their correspondence. Under this common law rule, an offer is considered accepted once the acceptance is sent via certified mail. Including notarization further strengthens the document, as the notary acts in a capacity similar to that of a state witness, adding legitimacy to the signature and contractual intent. Practical steps in use of the 1099-A form. The same approach can be applied with a 1099-A form in place of, or in conjunction with, the coupon. When using the 1099-A, it is advisable to address correspondence to the corporation's CEO directly, not to their financial officers. In doing so, one can assert that repeated acceptance of payments by the corporation constitutes an agreement under trust law, while failure to reject a valid payment indicates acceptance of the terms outlined. The letter accompanying the 1099-A or coupon should include legal definitions from Black's Law Dictionary and Webster's, along with a summary of relevant contract principles. The individual should explain that they are making a lawful attempt to discharge the debt and cite pertinent definitions to demonstrate that the coupon or form qualifies as a payment instrument. Conclusion. In summary, this structured approach to debt settlement is grounded in trust and contract law principles, reinforced by appropriate legal definitions and conditional acceptance.